All right, active weather pattern continues. Several chances for precipitation. The next being later on this evening, overnight into Thursday. Another chance coming up on Saturday and Sunday. Head outside it's basically quiet. We are cloudy and chilly. We've had some occasional flurries every now and then coming in off the ocean, but nothing really significant. Some steadier light snow, though, is anticipated later on this evening and during the overnight hours. Looking at temperatures now, freezing or just above. That includes 32 in Providence as well as Taunton. New Bedford checking in at 34. In middle 30s along the South Shore, where you picked up an inch or two of snow along the coastline during the overnight hours. All right, weather headlines, and here's the breakdown with some snow starting around 10 o'clock this evening with some small accumulations. We just say that right off the bat there. We're not expecting a lot of snow in terms of amounts, though certainly impactful weather in terms of travel. And the reason why snow accumulations will be minor, we do anticipate a switch to freezing rain and then eventually rain. That will occur during the overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning. So it's mainly rain tomorrow, especially during the morning, though some icy spots still lingering in the far northwest part of the state where temperatures will be hovering around freezing. Another system over the weekend, a wintry mix of snow, ice, and rain on Saturday, changing to all rain on Sunday. We'll see that in the 7-day forecast. So tracking moisture to our west and towards the south, all of this headed our way later on this evening, overnight, and into at least Thursday morning and early Thursday afternoon. So here's how it breaks down. We'll take this into the future with snow developing later on this evening. As we get towards the overnight, early tomorrow morning, it's primarily rain, but a little bit of icy rain still lingering in the northwest corner of the state. Move ahead to the afternoon hours, still holding on to some rain as temperatures actually go above freezing, so some good news there. Precipitation coverage tends to wind down by later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. It sets up for windy, cold, dry weather for Friday, and if you're heading out Friday night, move ahead. Well, that's interesting. Here we go. Move ahead to Friday night. Skies are clear and cold, staying on the dry side. And then here comes the next weather-maker by Saturday afternoon and evening with a shield of accumulating snow. We may squeak out 1, 2, 3 inches of snow by Saturday evening before this system changes over to rain as well. So as far as the hour-by-hour forecast, we'll take you into early this evening. You see some of the snow starting to develop, temperatures in the lower 30s. Late at night while we're sleeping, ice and snow to the north, rain to the south, but changing over to mainly rain, all this green by early tomorrow morning. The far northwest corner of the state, a little bit of ice lingering, but notice as we get into the morning hours, mid-morning and beyond, it's mainly rain depicted by the green with temperatures in the middle 30s. Rain continues showery by early afternoon. Temperatures going up. Look at 43 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And as we head towards tomorrow evening, things are drying out with some partial clearing. How much snow before the change to rain? Not a lot, but the northwest part of the state, up to an inch of snow, and the outer fringes of that around a slushy coating, and a lot of this actually washing away by tomorrow morning. But be careful in the early morning hours, some icy rain possible. In other words, it's raining with temperatures near the freezing mark, and that's why we have that winter weather advisory for these areas in purple. So again, some icy rain very early. Otherwise, grab the umbrella tomorrow morning as temperatures go through the 30s to eventually the lower 40s tomorrow afternoon. We're drying out, though, by late day and early evening. Round 2 of messy weather starts off as snow and ice on Saturday with some accumulation. Stay tuned. It actually transitions over to a rainstorm. Heavy at times on Sunday with a temperature at 45. Bottom line, take it slow. Any travel